Guys, my father said that noise that the devil was making earlier, it's natural. So that means, it's still able to be used. Just makes that sound, you know? It's just the engine natural sound. I just don't want to break it. I'm just scared a little bit. We're going to try it anyway. Let me put you guys right over here. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Not sure. No, but I'm actually terrified right now. Did not let it go. It died. We're gonna need to put some gas inside of it. Let me check the gas tank. I think it's dead. What? It's got gas. We'll try that one more time. See, maybe. If she'll turn it over. See if she'll try. See if she'll run. Hopefully she doesn't die. Like last time. Come on. We can get her to move. Oh! It keeps dying, guys. Try that again. Come on. We're gonna need some gasoline in here. I'm gonna fill it. Guys, I'm gonna get the gas. Then the red devil has died because it's wet. But yeah, guys, we're gonna try gasoline, see if that works, see if it does anything. Just move this thing, move the tap. Oh man, dude, that looks almost stone dry. That's why. Gasoline. I'm only gonna fill it a little bit because I'm honestly a little nervous. I don't want it to like explode or something. I'm not gonna fill it all the way to the top. I'm gonna let her get a little bit of gasoline in there. Put our gas tank over here, see if that start it. See if we can get her to run now. I'm actually a little scared now. Since we filled it up with gas, it could explode or something, so try it. Come on. No, guys. It still isn't working. I'm literally trying. I filled it up with gas. It doesn't want to run fully. It doesn't want to last a while, so try it again. Try it one more time. Come on, start. Come on. No! Guys, it's not starting. What's going on with it? It's like dead or something. The engine busted or something, guys. It's not running. It doesn't want to stay on. I mean, it's turning on like it's starting, but that is dying after it had that loud thing, and then it just dies. I thought the gas was the problem. It looks like there's something deep in the engine. might be causing a problem. You know what? I'm gonna keep on trying because I never give up. No! It ain't starting. Guys, why? I can show you that it's running. Show you that I'm holding it. I'm gonna put you guys here so you can see that I'm actually holding the lever. The thing is, it's not running. It doesn't want to stay on. See that? It's not staying on, which is definitely a problem. So there's got to be like a problem with like the engine or something going on. But this thing doesn't want to stay on for whatever reason. Holding it, like I'm holding the lever that keeps it running, and it starts, and then she turns off for whatever reason. I don't know why. Maybe there's something bad in the engine going on. I seriously want this thing to run. It's got to be like something wrong, something going on with it. But I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna try it a few more times. Maybe she's just not used to it yet. So close. See, I pulled it. So close. It just keeps on looping that. Is that smoke, guys? That looks like smoke. Yep, don't turn it on. Nope. Hand off the thing. It's small smoke. It's not, I don't think it's like engine smoke or something. I don't know, but definitely not turning this thing on again. Let me finally try it one more time and I'm gonna turn it off. Then she eventually wants to run. Let's go, man. It runs perfectly fine. Now I'm going to put you guys right back to where you were. We'll see if we can cut the grass with it. Let's go. She ran. She runs now. Incredible now. Bro, that is incredible. Now, move the stick out of the way. See if we can mow a perfect line. Gotta get her used to it. We have to get her like perfectly fine. Yeah, we're gonna turn her off. It smells like gas. I smell gas, so I'm gonna put her back. I smell gas. I don't want this thing blowing up. That's bad. That was bad. You see, everything's smoking. Nothing's smoking, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave her alone for now. Bye, guys.